Good morning, Foray. How are you? I hope you all had a lovely sleep and your brains are ready for another day of learning. Today is Monday, the 22nd of June, and today we are joined by my friend, the Angry Viking. So basically, my idea for today's Teams meeting is that you can take your favorite plush toy with you and they can join us in the meeting. However, no playing, just let them sit with you during the meeting, okay? And then I'll take a picture. All right, while talking about the Teams meeting, I'm gonna tell you what time that is. So our last lesson today will be the sixth lesson, moral education. So we will meet in the last period, which is 125. So guys, be ready at 125. Have your favorite plush toy ready with you to join us. Okay, guys, so your first lesson will be the math lesson. Again, it's going to be exactly the same lesson as yesterday. There's no video lesson. It's just revision of subtraction and addition, and it will be word problems that will involve subtraction and addition. Should be pretty straightforward and easy. Right, guys, your second lesson is either Arabic or Islamic. And then the third lesson is guided reading. You guys know the drill already. You need to log into MyOn, find the book and read it. I did explain before about Accelerated Reader. Please, if you can, try to find a title on MyOn that would also be available on Accelerated Reader. So once you read that book on MyOn, you can take the quiz on Accelerated Reader and get your word count up. All right. The second guided reading lesson, you can continue reading. However, you will be recording a video of yourself reading out The Black Beauty, chapter 8 and 9. Actually, you need to read chapter 8 and 9. However, you will be reading out chapter 8 in the video because you will not be able to read both chapters within the 1-minute video. So please just start reading the 8th chapter in the video. But anyway, what else was I going to say? All right, so once you finished Black Beauty chapter 8 and 9, you can just continue reading on MyOn. Please do shoot that Accelerated Reader word count up. I will also be checking who has been going on MyOn and who has not been going on MyOn this whole time. Okay, then lesson 5 is actually a very exciting lesson. It's social studies and we continue crime and punishment, but this time it's not going to be, so we finished the Anglo-Saxons in Britain, and this time it's going to be focused on the Tudors, the Tudor rule in Britain, and King Henry VIII, and about punishment. You're going to be actually observing some kind of historical artifacts, and you will have to guess how were they used for punishing people. That will be your job to guess. So we will discuss that in our meeting at the end of the day, and you actually don't need to watch the video of this lesson if you attend the Teams meeting. And then moral education, again, we focus on cultural diversity, but this time we are going to be talking about how can we in general benefit cultural diversity? How do we benefit from living in a place that has cultural diversity, such as the UAE? Okay, think about that before your lesson. All right, so we meet at 125. Right, the quote, sorry, the riddle for yesterday was ice cream, you scream. No, wait a minute. It went ice cream, you scream, we scream, what for? So the answer, guys, was ice cream. Okay, I think most of you got that. Let me just double check. Yes. So guys, the only submission for today I was just going to say is the video. You will be required to submit. We will not have that many submissions anymore since, you know, we're going towards the end of the school year. So in case you're wondering why it's kind of easier this week, it's because we're literally nearing the end of the school year. But anyway, ice cream, you scream, we scream, what for? Ice cream. So Celine, ice cream. Uh, Yalmaz, when my friend eats the last slice of pizza, we scream. Yeah, 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 of course. Yeah, yeah. Some people may scream. Sammy have a chocolate. Yes, that's a good one as well. Ice cream, ice cream. When we see a wild animal, Mariam. Okay, that's also very good. When we are scared, Maximus. Isita, Miss, I do not understand that question. No problem. It's okay. So you know the answer already. Uh, yes, Ryan. So yeah, ice cream, most of you, but we had other ideas as well, which is really good. Okay, guys, the riddle you have to solve today is uh, what has a thumb and four fingers, but it is not alive? Once again, what has a thumb and four fingers, but it is not alive? Okay, please leave the comments below. And let me introduce the inspirational quote for today, which is all your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Okay, the meaning of that. So pursuing your dreams. So guys, when we usually have a dream, like for example, a couple, we were actually talking the topic today, sorry, the topic this week for UAE Social Studies is the job you'd like to do in the future. So that's your, basically, some of you have dreams for your future and you would like to become something in the future. So pursuing that dream, that means you will actually try for it, takes pursuing your dreams take a lot of work and can often be intimidating or scary. However, if you gather as much courage as you can and go for it anyway, your dreams will have a better chance of coming true. So, guys, if you don't try, your dreams won't come true. But if you really try hard, they may come true. You may experience hardships, speed bumps, or setbacks when you pursue your dreams, but just keep going, okay? So when you're pursuing that dream, guys, in the future, despite it may get hard, whoops, I have a piece of hair in my mouth. Even if things get really hard, okay, things always get hard for everyone. But when things get hard, don't give up. Don't just be like, oh, I can't do this. No, you can always do it. You can always try harder. You can get up and continue. Guys, resilience and perseverance, high performance learning. All right, that's it from me. See you at 125 and have a great day. Have a great and easy day.